Hi, Candy. Are you kind today to Kuya? You want her? She's gonna bite. Hi. Hi.
Looking at Kuya.
Looking at your feet. Don't bite, Kuya, so you don't need to be on leash.
There.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, she only wants the back, not the head. You only want
Because
back
it's softer on the head.
She only wants back massage. Candy, you only want back massage, not the head. See? Shh, no biting, Kuya.
Just
No biting, Kuya. Candy is on leash because sometimes she bites. Yeah, so we still need to train her not to bite the fingers of the little boy there. Yeah? Or our fingers or the couches, everything. Because this little girl is a 1-year-old toddler. Yeah? So we have to help her not bite. Shh! No! No! No!
It's just a kiss.
Just a kiss. Just a kiss. No biting. Just a kiss. What in the world is going on? Candy? You're in the chair? You don't want the floor? Yeah? Candy is so social. Candy, are you saucy girl? Are you my saucy girl? Hey. Candy has a leash because she's so jumpy. And then she jumped in the chair. Are you my saucy girl, Candy? Meet this rat terrier. Her name is Candy Girl. She has a harness because she's so jumpy. Yeah? We don't want to lose this Candy Girl. That's why she's on leash. Yeah? Only when Daddy is holding Candy can she be not on leash. Right, Candy Girl? You like your bed? That your new bed? Oh my gee. This bed is so saucy. I mean, this girl is so sassy, saucy girl. Candy Girl? Why you so sassy girl? Are you my sassy girl? Shh. Are you the pet? Kuya is the pet. No! No biting! No biting, Kuya. My God. Kuya is not a pet. Kuya is not a pet. Kuya is not a pet. My gosh. Are you the pet? I
Because
think.
the food that I eat went onto the shirt.
Candy. Kuya is not.
That's why Candy is...
Kuya is not the pet. Candy. Kuya is not the pet. Okay? Hi.